Hello, friends. So nice to see you all once again. So, it is the month of December, and December is a very, when the month starts itself, it feels so good and nice because it's Christmas this month, and it feels so festive, and one feels like doing some things like decorating the house or buying some things. So, I really like the month of December. What about you? What do you all feel? So I'm not very much active, as you all know. Those who are watching my channel know I have shingles. So I'm not very much active, but within the house itself, whatever I can do, and I already feel like having Christmas cake. You know, in December 25th December is far away, but still I feel like already eating Christmas cake and starting with the Christmas sweets. So, do you all like any Christmas sweets or Christmas cake? Which kind? And what is your memories of Christmas? So I have good memories, and yes, I like to go to church also. Let us see this year whether I will go to church or not. It all depends. Or sometimes I watch online. When I can't go physically to the church, then I watch the mass online. So I'll let you all know what I did, whether I watched it online or I went to the church. But it's really nice sometimes to feel this way. Like, I really like the month of December, and it gets a bit chilly also, not too cold where I am. Of course, in some countries it's minus 0 degrees, etc. But not here where I am. It doesn't go into minus, but for us, a little bit of coolness is also cold. So, yes, this can be a time when one may get sick as well because of the change of weather, but one can take care of their health and try. Yes, there was a recent discussion on pollution and the pollution getting so bad. So I don't go out much, friends. So I don't know actually the real thing about pollution. But yes, do I feel it in my house? Yes, there is dust which accumulates. So that is a pollution that comes into the house, even though I'm not going out. So yes, dust accumulates. Then I have to keep cleaning. So I know from the dust which is in the house that whether there is pollution or not. And yes, otherwise I'm not affected by pollution because I don't travel out much. But yes, through the dust which enters the house, I come to know how much polluted or not it is. So right now, yes, it's very polluted. So I'm not getting any difficulty myself. But yes, our nose gets blocked and you feel you're going to get a cough, a cold, something like that. So let's see what measures will be taken to reduce the pollution. Government will be taking some measures. Let's see if people can also take some measures and how we can, do something about this pollution. So that was a big point. And yes, in December, in November during Diwali, people had burst lot of crackers, too many crackers in my area. So whether that pollution has also accumulated along with the cold air, I don't know. I can't say, but it might be. In November, my family member was quite sick because of the pollution that was there. So yes, it's not nice. A clean air will be much better. And some say don't talk about crackers only during November in Diwali, but I talk about it normally always because we are little bit we get more sensitive towards the pollution. So that's the reason I talk about it, no other reason. A festival, yes, it's very nice to enjoy the festival, but after the festival, what about that? What are the side effects of it? So that's one thing that I feel that we should try to reduce, that is the air pollution. What do you feel, friends? What are your thoughts? So thank you so much and hope you're all doing well. Have a great day. Thank you.